Hello everyone, and welcome to our first ever episode of Three Broke Blondes. I'm your host Sarah.
And I'm your co-host Allie.
And on today's episode, we'll be making microwave banana quiches.
Can I get a cheers?
Oh hell yes, sister.
So step one is you need 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Okay. Whisk the egg.
Alright, so our wet ingredients include half an egg.
Yeah, I'm gonna do half and mine.
Half
and yours.
Half an egg. And we have vegetable oil, we have sugar, we have vanilla, we have ground cinnamon, and we have brown sugar.
Alright, so we're actually gonna pour our dry ingredients in here. I think that's the best.
Right away?
Yeah. Just because
Woo!
we need this bowl. Oh, we're gonna need another.
I messed up.
Okay, so we're each gonna take one very ripe banana.
Very ripe.
We just open her on up and put her in the bowl.
Ooh.
We probably could have shared one banana.
Oh,
That's okay.
Yeah. She's looking a little
Too ripe.
a little too ripe.
You know what I mean. Alright, then
Ooh, yeah, she's a little too ripe.
so then you're just gonna wanna smash that up. You know, my saying is for banana bread, a banana can never be too ripe, you know?
Unless there's mold on it. In which case it might be too ripe.
Okay.
We'll just
So after you have smushed your banana, a lot of the times I like to use, when I see my bananas getting brown, I like to put them in the freezer and save them so that one day I can look and see I have 15 frozen bananas and make like 6 dozen banana breads. Just a little life hack for you guys. So once you smash your banana,
and scrape the mold off.
you're gonna want to add eggs. So you're gonna want to add half of an egg, a little more than half of an egg.
Where's the rest of my eggs?
We're just gonna do a little. Actually, I can do a one-handed crack for all of you people out there who are skeptics. Yeah.
Looks like applesauce right now. Smushed bananas.
Banana sauce. So she's just gonna whisk up this egg and just put the rest of that in there. I have my handy dandy whisk that I'm going to mix this with. Yeah, see, this is the exact consistency that you want. And they're actually not banana quiches. We're just making them in quiche dishes because we're 3 broke blondes. So
Use what you got.
Sarah doesn't actually bake that much, do you?
I do not, no.
Yeah, so this is kind of like new for her and me.
Yeah.
I bake a little bit.
I got my handy dandy
Maybe
little thing from my grandma here that I'm gonna go
Okay,
in
this
with.
is perfect.
Lovely.
Brilliant. All right, next, guys, you're gonna want to take 2 tablespoons of sugar and dump that right into the banana mix that we got going on. Mix that in. And then you're also gonna want to take 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and add that right in. Packed brown sugar.
What? Does mine look bad? Oh. want 2 of these?
Yep.
Small sugar.
Alright guys, and then once you have that all mixed together, you are gonna want to add just like a little dash of vanilla for some flavor.
Just a dash.
Just a dash. No more, just a tad more.
Oh, more.
Perfect.
All right. She's the expert.
Yeah, and then you just, actually guys, I'm really coming up with this just off the top of my head from my years of culinary expertise that I have. All right, so now that our wet ingredients are all mixed, we're gonna wanna add in your dry ingredients, which we might need more of. We're just eyeballing. No, we don't need any.
Oh, okay.
So you're just gonna dump that in. Give it a little mixy mix.
Oh, she's looking gorgeous, guys. Really coming together now.
So you got any plans for Christmas, Sarah?
Well, you know, I work, so.
Unfortunate. It's very unfortunate.
What about you, Allie? Big plans?
Yeah, just seeing my family. That's about it.
Very cool.
And I'm working, so. Alright guys, from the looks of it, it's a little runny, so I'm just gonna grab an extra tablespoon of flour and add that in. So if you're cooking along with us at home, just, eyeball it. If it feels right, it feels right.
Mine's looking pretty good, I think, personally.
Okay.
So.
They're very different colors, which is interesting.
Yeah, well, my banana had mold on it.
Alright, yeah, this looks good, right? Okay, guys. So while we're mixing this, Sarah.
Yes.
What is one thing that you asked for Christmas?
I asked for a desk.
Oh, nice.
Yes,
Do you work at it?
Yeah. What about you, Allie?
I asked for a KitchenAid mixer, and I fortunately enough received one. So
Received 2, nearly.
cheers to that. Okay. All right, guys. We're on to the
Well, are we ready
second to last step.
for chocolate chips here?
Yes. Third to last step. So we have some Nestle Toll House mini chocolate chips, and whatever the heart feels, just add some in. Baking is really just, it's where your mind and your soul just like connect.
Yeah.
All right. Once those are mixed in, we can put our little whisk.
I'm feeling some more chocolate chips,
Oh
really.
yeah, of course, add some. We're gonna put that whisked aside. All right. So then we're gonna grab some tissue, and we're just gonna dip that in the oil, and oil up our little quiche dishes. Like this. Just a little bit of oil, just so that they don't stick. All right. Then you're gonna grab your nice little spatula. We didn't add any cinnamon. I'm not feeling the cinnamon today, guys. Are you feeling the cinnamon today?
Maybe I'll sprinkle a little bit on top of mine.
Oh, that's
before-
a good idea.
Yeah.
See,
A little sugar,
baking's
yeah.
just like you go with the flow. Okay. And then we're gonna add
Pour it on in.
this mixture on in. Look at that pour.
Gorgeous.
It really is.
Looks like a big chocolate chip cookie, really.
It really does. I'm just gonna try a little lickety lick. Yeah, it just tastes like banana. All right. Like Sarah's brilliant idea, we're just gonna. That is really beautiful.
I'm gonna grab a bit of sugar to put on top of mine too.
Wow, you're so smart.
Yeah.
Like a little creme brulee.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
All right, guys. So once you have your banana mixture in your little dish that you're cooking it in, we're just gonna stick it in the microwave for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
We'll be back.
Welcome to our commercial break. My name is Allison. I'm behind the scenes here at Three Broke Blondes. And I just wanted to introduce you to our special friend. This is Precious. She has many children. Salt and Peppa and Salt and Peppa. Thank you. Back to our show.
Alright, so we're back, guys. While they were cooking in the microwave, they had a pretty nice aroma, but the taste
A
has...
good 10 out of 10 on the smell. It smelled delightful.
Yes, for some reason, my cake turned out a little bit lighter than Emily's.
Not really sure. It must be like the color of the banana. Or
Could be the mold, but
we're gonna do a little taste test, right? All right.
alright.
Cheers. They took only 3.5 minutes.
Very spongy.
3.5 minutes to cook. They're a little bit hard to dig into.
You ready?
Okay. Cheers.
Not gonna lie, this ain't it.
It's not bad. That's definitely tasted worse.
Maybe I'll go for the middle a little more.
Yeah, maybe it's the outer edge that's not too good.
Well, this is what we've got. Very spongy in consistency.
Yeah, it has the texture of a mattress topper.
Yeah, really kind of texture-wise, it tastes like you're kind of chewing foam.
A little bit, but I definitely recommend trying this at home, guys. It's great for a little rainy afternoon and a little glass of sparkling grape juice. All right, thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.